Hello friends, welcome to my third tutorial. Uh, as I promised in last week, I will teach GIS formally from this tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will teach you how to prepare study map. Okay. Personally, I have been requested to make a study area map by lots of senior and my colleague and my junior fellows or my student. And this video I'm going to start because this study area map is required by all faculties or all streams or the students of every stream, because in this thesis paper or in this research paper, study area is the one of the vital thing while writing down the methodologies. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. This tutorial is going to be a little bit longer than usual because I'll teach you how to make a study area map from a country map. Okay, you can see this is the country map, or it's the map of Nepal. Okay, uh, as already described, I described data frame to you people. Okay, so there are some prototype skill or prototype qualities which is which differentiate you from other people. Okay, so always make a one folder, like I created here. Okay, I can name this folder as a study area map. Okay, you can see study area. In this folder, at first you can create two folder. Like one folder is a name in a data. Okay, like a data folder. So you can add everything except this. uh, okay, and another folder you can write this concept and as a result. Okay, so always create a one folder in which you create in which you maintain our data and the result. Okay, so it is a prototype skill, so you don't so you will not lose any data and result while you can, or still you can work in a future. Okay, so always make a folder before doing any work in a ArcGIS. Okay, so this is the button. I just say to you, if from this button you can the add data. Okay, you can add data which you just keep in that folder. So for that, just connect a folder. Okay, connect to folder, go to this option. If you go to this option, you will find option of lots of folder. Okay, I just keep that folder in a desktop. That's why I just choose that folder. Okay, you just choose, and here you can find uh, this folder. Sorry. Okay. See, these are the data. Okay, sorry. Study area. These are the folder. Okay, which I just created in the study area folder. In data, there are in data. This is the data which I will use in the for study area map. and that is for result. For now, for now, mm, it is empty, okay, because there is no end result. And one more thing, one more thing is that you can create GDP, okay, that is the geodatabase. So I just create study GDB, okay, just click it and again click it and it, okay. So in the data there is one GDP. GDP is nothing, just like a database, you can keep your results or processing result, you can keep your processing result. It will be like more safer there, and chances of corrupted file will be less when you keep in the GDB, okay. So we just go back, and I already add neither. If you haven't add this file, just go to this Nepal save, okay, and just click add, okay. I just already click, that's why there are two Nepal, so I remove one. Just right click for remove, just right click and remove, okay. And if you don't like, if you don't like this color, you can just go there, okay, choose whatever you like. I just like this bake color, okay. This. So this is the map of Nepal. So I will use this map, this polygon, this is a vector file. However, you can learn about vector and raster data. However, I will teach you in later tutorial videos what is raster and what is vector, or how to differentiate them, or what is the purpose of them, okay. So for now, just remember that this is the vector file in which polygon is its identity, or you can just for more information always right click, okay, right click and open attribute table, okay. So its shape is polygon. I just put a polygon, polygon shape, okay. So it is, I think it's a old map, it's a old map. That's why there are 75 districts of Nepal, okay. 75 district means 75 polygon, okay. So just let's say I am using I am doing research in one of the district of Nepal, and my supervisor wants me to make a study area map. So I'll choose randomly one of the district, okay. I just go there, okay. Or you can do from here. Just go select feature, it is available here, select feature, okay, and choose any, okay. Just I choose one of the polygon available in this map, okay. I already told you there are 75 polygons, so I choose one of the polygon by going in the select features button, okay. Then right click here and then you go in data, okay. Right click there and go in data and export data, okay. Right, and click the export data option. So here, export means to export something, to just throw something. So export, here you can see selected features. This selected feature will only be exported, other thing will be remain same, okay. With the same coordination system, this layer source data, okay. What this map is designed in coordinate system, that exported will be the same. And output feature class, okay, this is the location where this exported item will be there, okay. So just see, we have just connected our folder to study area folder, this folder. So our or our output or our processing result will be there. But for better classification, have two folders, isn't it? So here, go here in result, because it is one of the result. So you can just in type, its name is Lalitpur. Lollipop, save as type save file. Okay, we just save this file into result for subfolder and name as a lollipop shape file. Do you want to add the exported data as maps layer? Of course, because we want to use this layer in our studio area map. Okay, see, so lollipop is this. We can just zoom to this feature. Okay, for this zoom to layer, because you already saw that there is save as a layer, so it is one of the layer. Okay, zoom to layer. This is the layer. As I told you, if you don't like this color, just choose the different color. Okay, it's up to you, whatever you like. Okay, so if you want to make a study area map, if you have seen my previous video, if you want to show two result, you should have, okay, so two result in a, you should have two data frame. Okay, now single data frame. Okay, so another data, new data frame. So we can name it. Just for this, right click and to result, you should to have a two data frame which contains Nepal, or that is a whole country map, and another is the our study area, which is Lolliput district. Okay, so for this condition, uh, so the task begins here also. I just in previous video I said that there are two layout view. Okay, this is there are two view. This is data view, where we do the processing. We just export the full polygon from the whole country map, and another is layout view, where we work in the map. Okay, we just got our processing result, so that is lollipop. We got just extract the feature from there. Okay, so now it is to make the study area map. It is unchecked here. Okay, see, it is unchecked here, that's why it is not visible. Now if we check, it is visible. So if we zoom to layer, okay, see, if we right click and zoom to layer, then it is whole map contents. Okay, see, at first we have selected some features, but we haven't unselected, so we can just go there, in data view, and I think it is not activate. So if you another thing, important thing to notice, if you have two data frame at once, only one data frame will be activated. So if you are just switching the data frames, go to activate. Okay, say it is selected, but we don't want that. Okay, just go unselected, and it's select, unselect, select, unselect. Okay, then uh, I just said that two map, two data frame, one data frame, second data frame. Okay, and the paper size, paper size is determine the how much how focused your map wants to be seen, or what your client demands for the size. Okay, for now it is a little bit okay with portrait mode also, but if you are not okay with portrait mode, you can go for landscape mode. For that, you go to this page and print setup. Okay, page and print setup. See, it's already in landscape mode. However, it is not fitted. Okay, or you can size the list size of papers. Okay, here the name of printer. This is, you just use printer paper setting. With this printer, you can see and see if we scale the element according to the paper orientation, it will be fitted. Neither it will go out, neither it will come. Yeah, it looks fine than before, isn't it? So for that, I'll just drag here, and yeah, it is good. Maybe it is good, or whatever you want orientation, you can do it. No, the main thing is that rather than focusing the whole country map, we should focus the our study area. Okay, isn't it? So uh, if your data is not that much focused, you can go here. Okay, full extent. Okay, it is already in full extent, so nothing occurs. I just forgot one thing. Main thing is control S. Okay, just always save your document. Always save your document. You after only some processing. Okay, that saves your result. So the main thing is that show this area, and the pattern of study area is that show this area from here, or your indication should be that this small thing will be enlarged here. Okay, this small thing will be enlarged here. So for that, mm, so for that, uh, go to this, go to this layer, go to this layer, second layer. I'm just working on this. Okay, so for to show that this thing is from here, or this thing is small here, or this thing is belongs to this, we have one trick in ArcGis. For that, go to the always to the larger thing. Okay, go to always to larger thing, go here to data frame, go to properties, right click and go to properties, and go to extend indicator. Okay, go to extend indicator, and then you can see the other data frame available there. Okay, and you can see the data frame available there, which you want to see that this small thing, or this zoom thing, comes from this large thing. Okay, go to this, because this is our the another data frame. Click here for single. If you have more than one, you can go for here. And apply, and okay, see, this thing is zoomed, this thing is this small thing is zoomed here. Okay, this is the purpose, this is the trick which is used in study area map. Okay, and for more clear view, we have one trick, more trick is that for this, click on this thing. This is ribbon, click on the, so after with indicator, uh, you can show this thing linked to here. Okay, to here. Okay, for that, there is one trick in ArcGis. For that, we need a draw tool. Okay, for draw tool, go to there, right click here. Okay, right click here and go to draw. Okay, see, here you can get a draw tool here. Okay, so for that, we need a line, two line. Okay, basically people use two line, so for line you use this. And if you need correct one, go and here click, double click. Okay, see, and for again, click here. See, now it looks a little bit clear, isn't it? So you can say that this district belongs to Nepal. Okay, or this is the one of the study area type. Okay, study area map content. Okay, and for further uh, for the addition of map elements, we need these two. Okay, insert. At first, always remember you should show the north arrow. Okay, there are large option of for north arrow, so you can choose. My favorite is this. It's simple, you know. So there is a little thumb rule, thumb rule type. Basically, generally, north arrow is placed in the top of the map. Okay, if it is not possible, you can put here also. Okay, then there is the another needed thing is scale. Okay, somebody put scale or somebody said not to scale. Okay, but we need a scale bar in GIS basically. So you can use the later form of scale also, or you can use scale bar. Okay, this is my favorite one. So okay, if somebody needs to measure this area, how big is this study area, then he can measure from this scale bar. Okay, and this text, if you need to name this district, okay, like I just tried Lalitpur. Okay, see, this is very small now. Double click it, so this option arrives. Okay, and see the font size is 10 now, so you need to increase its font size. For that, go to 10 symbol, double click it or single click it. It takes a little bit time. See, we can use increase our size, like I keep 28. Okay, and you can choose the different colors of your text like this, but I like black one, that's why I kept black. Okay, and then you can bold it. I just bold it, italic, underline, strike through. Okay, or you can just choose this style, or you can choose font style. Okay, but you from here, if you're in first chance, if your text goes wrong, you can edit from here. Okay, apply. The ArcGIS gives one good thing is that you can just apply your changes and see if it is not okay. Okay, if it is not okay, you can go again. Okay, but for me now it is okay. Now you can move this also. Just I just like it. Okay, and another thing is that you go to insert neat line. Neat line is the line which is just it's like a margin line. Okay, it is just below the in line, so you can just put border line. Okay, if you like to have a background, you put background, neither you can say none. Okay, or border, you can choose the size of border line. Okay, and another option is around all limit, so we need to put the around all limit, so I just write okay. See, now this small thick border line is placed around all element. Okay, just go to it. It looks good now, isn't it? Okay, now another thing is remaining is that sources. Okay, title, sorry, sources you can use same like in text. Go for title, you can choose your title, just like study area map. Okay, just like this small, automatically it goes to top of the this. Okay, or if you don't have top area, you can just write here. Okay, but better to write in top for me now. I didn't write on top, which I'm teaching now. If you need any external graphs, you can write in the or you need to copy from Word. Excel you can just copy from as a object. Okay, pictures. And another thing is like a time. Okay, times coordination system, isn't it? Data frame name. Sometimes it is necessary to put coordinate system if it is like for measuring. If it is for measuring, it is necessary to put in the coordination system, coordinate system. Neither it is not that much necessary because it is just a map. It is not any processor result. Okay. Uh, these things like it is okay now. Okay. And another thing I want to show you in this map is that print view. Always print view. Okay. Sometimes your border doesn't apply to good. See, like here 0 is little bit omitted, so I just close it and put this slider here. Okay, and again print view. See, now it is good, isn't it? So always work like this, and your map will be little good. You just can play with the net lines, or you can play with this thing. Or I just forgot one thing, like here this indicator, this indication is this extend indicator is rectangular, isn't it? But you can make a like a circular also. For that, extend indicator, right click it and frame. Okay. uh, Here rounding, if you increase rounding, I just put 100% or 1000%. Okay, apply just to change. See, this is this thing is round, isn't it? Okay. Or if you want to see, if you want to make this thing round, go to here, go to size and position. Okay, you just put as a I think yeah, you can change its size. See, you can just make it more. If you increase the percentage of roundness, you can make it uh, round shape. Okay, and fix it, this thing. See, you can increase your roundness and it will be little bit. Okay. If you go increasing the percentage of roundness, this will be circle. Okay, so in this way it is very easy to make a study map. Or if you have any confusion, please write down the comment below. I'll make you understand in a very easy way. Okay, see you guys. Stay home, stay safe, and learn ArcGis. Hope you will learn in a good manner. See you. Bye.